In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a workflow in Wrike. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with Wrike, editing workflows is a crucial skill that can streamline your projects and increase productivity. Let's dive in and look at how you can manage this process smoothly. First, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you're most comfortable with. Type Wrike into the search bar and press Enter. This will take you to the official Wrike website. Once you're on the Wrike site, you'll need to log in. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. However, if you're new to Wrike, you can select Try Wrike for free to get started with a trial version. This step will require entering some details and setting up your workspace, but for our purpose, let's assume you have access and are ready to manage workflows. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the interface where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area, as it serves as the control center for personalizing your Wrike experience. Once in the Settings menu, look for the Workflows section. This is where the magic happens. By navigating to Workflows, you'll open up the possibilities to tailor your project management approach to your needs. In the Workflows section, you'll notice your current workflow statuses. Here, you can add new statuses or edit existing ones to better reflect your team's process. Maybe certain tasks need a review status that isn't currently available. This is your chance to create it. Having these statuses aligned with your actual workflow can significantly enhance task tracking and clarity. If you need to change the order of how statuses appear, simply drag and drop them to arrange in the desired sequence. It's as easy as clicking the status and moving it to where you want it within its group. The order can impact how team members perceive the flow of tasks and keep everyone on the same page. To remove any unnecessary or outdated status, click Delete Status. This helps to keep your workflow clean and relevant to current project needs. After making all the necessary changes, it's time to save them. Look to the upper right corner again, where you'll find the Save button. Clicking this will ensure all your edits are applied properly. And that's it. You've successfully modified a workflow in Wrike. Properly editing workflows can enhance productivity by providing clarity and structure to your team's tasks. It can be done quickly and efficiently following these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your project management skills. Thank you for watching.